Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel, BL Das Hot and Sweet in Chemistry. I also want to welcome the students of 11th Science to the topic organic conversion. In organic conversion, generally, now I want to explain benzene related. That means how to get benzene and from benzene how to get other compounds. Now see, this is part 1. That is benzene to benzoic acid. What is the formula and structure of benzoic acid? 6,6H5 C6H5COOL, that is called benzoic acid, and this is the formula of structure of benzoic acid. With benzene there should be one COOH group. Now see, benzene when treated with methyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. That means anhydrous aluminum chloride is very important. This aluminum chloride anhydrous condition, first it gives toluene. Toluene when treated with KMnO4, that means the part which is related to alkyl group that changes to benzoic acid. That means COOH group. If we will put CH3, COOH. If we will put CH2, CH3, then also it change to COOH. That you will read in 12th class science chemistry. Then come to lime to benzene. What is lime? Calcium oxide is called lime. Now in the presence of coke and electric furnace, if you put the coke and calcium oxide with the help of electric furnace, it gives, this is called calcium carbide. This is called calcium carbide. And now this calcium carbide when treated with water, it gives acetylene. Common name is acetylene and IUPAC name is ethine. Ethine on polymerization it gives benzene, whose formula C6H6 and structure is like this. Now last one, that is benzene to acetophenone. Benzene acetophenone, that means here COCH3 group is attached to benzene ring, that is called acetophenone. COCH3, that is aceto, and 6,6H5 is attached, so it is acetophenone. Now you will take benzene and here CH3COCl. What is CH3COCl? That means it is called acetyl chloride by common name and acyl chloride, that is IUPAC name. Now in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives and benzening with COCH3 and that part is acetophenone. So this is called acetophenone. Now benzene to toluene, you take benzene and CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives toluene. Again see, benzene to benzoic acid, so you should take CH3Cl or CH2S5Cl also you can take, because any alkyl group here present that will convert to acid. So here anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives toluene. Toluene with KMnO4, it gives benzoic acid. Then come to lime to benzene, calcium oxide with coke, it gives calcium carbide, but it should be in electric furnace. Then treat with water, what it will give? It will give acetylene, that is called ethine. Ethine on polymerization gives benzene. Now benzene to acetophenone, that means you will take benzene and CH3COCl, it gives acetophenone. That means benzene when treated, that means attached with COCH3, that is called acetophenone. Now tell me, what is benzophenone? Benzophenone means CO6H5. Suppose you take here benzene and here you take that one C6H5COCl. C6H5COCl, then what happens? The same anhydrous AlCl3, it gives benzene with COC6H5. That means it is called benzophenone. It is called acetophenone. It is called benzophenone. Here we treated acetyl chloride or acyl chloride. Here we will take benzoyl chloride. What is the formula of benzoyl chloride? C6H5COCl. Here also we will take anhydrous aluminum chloride. Then it gives you a benzophenone. What is the structure of benzophenone? Two benzene CO6H5 is attached, so it is called benzophenone. And we will proceed other reaction conversion related to benzene. Now the reaction is benzoic acid to benzene. What is the conversion? Benzoic acid to benzene. That means the acid group should be removed. Benzoic acid you take, then you take sodium hydroxide, then it changes to sodium benzoate. That means acid when treated with sodium hydroxide, it forms a salt, sodium benzoate. Then you will fuse with sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, then you will get benzene. This is very important reaction. Benzoic acid to benzene. First you treat with sodium hydroxide, then it forms sodium benzoate. Then NaCO, calcium oxide, and sodium hydroxide, it will give benzene. Next come to benzene to meta-nitrotoluene. What is mean meta-nitro? That means in meta position means 1, 2, 3. In benzene, 3 position is called meta position. So meta-nitrotoluene. So what to do? First you take benzene, then sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid, concentrate nitric acid. That means here nitro group is substituted in benzene. And after that, what you will do? You take methyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. What is the function of this? Here, methyl group is substituted. But what is the position? It should be substituted meta, because nitro group is meta directing. You will read in 12th class nitro group how is a meta director. But you remember when nitro group is there, when you something you will add and want to substitute, then it will come to meta position. Again see, sulfuric acid, nitric acid is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene with methyl chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride, methyl group substituted in meta position. So what is the product? Meta-nitrotoluene. Next come to benzene to malic anhydride. Then first you should know what is malic acid. This is called malic acid. CaCOH, double bond CaCOH, that is called malic acid. So first you take benzene, then you take B2O5, which oxidation, where oxidation takes place in presence of B2O5, it gives CaCOOH, double bond CaCOOH, that is called malic acid. Now after that, how can you get its anhydride? Then you heat it and water is removed and you will get malic anhydride. This is the structure of malic anhydride. Again see, benzene, remember B2O5 you should write. Under vanadium pentoxide, it gives malic acid. Malic is on heating with heating, it removes water, and that gives malic anhydride. Here oxygen is there, so this is called malic anhydride. Then come to ethyl benzene to benzene. I told any alkyl group present in benzene and under oxidation it gives acid. Remember, any alkyl group present in benzene, it changes to acid on oxidation, that's especially KMnO4. And if when treated, then it gives acid. When you treat this one with sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, first step it gives COONA, and for that 2 times. Further it gives benzene. That means first it will give sodium benzoate and further NaOCO it gives benzene. That means here COOH, remember COONA. Here also you can write one step COONA, and after that here like this you can put and write the benzene. I hope it is clear, very easy. And here remember meta-nitrotoluene is very important, and here I hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry, and also please like and share my channel, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks again.